Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School. We have already discussed about the characteristics and some of the uses of plastics. There are a lot of uses for plastic that we haven't discussed yet.
Uses of plastics. Plastics find extensive use in healthcare industries. Some of the uses are packaging of tablets, threads used for stitching wounds, syringes, gloves, and a number of medical instruments. Next one, special plastic cookware is used in microwave oven for cooking food. In microwave oven, heat cooks only the food. Heat does not affect the plastic vessel. Another important plastic material named as Teflon is used for non-stick coating on cookware. Oil and water do not stick on it. You know that plastics are poor conductors of electricity. That's why electrical wires have plastic covering and handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastic. Plastic is a bad conductor of heat too. It's used for making handles of frying pan.
For a coin have two sides. The same thing happening here. Till now, we have discussed about only the utilities and the advanced sides of plastic. Now we are going to discuss about the negative side or how the nature gets polluted by this particular material. There are two types of material in nature. First one is biodegradable material.
It means a material gets decomposed through natural processes such as action by bacteria. Examples: peels of vegetables and fruits, leaves of trees, papers, cotton cloths, wood, etc. Second one, non-biodegradable material. It means a material is not easily decomposed by natural processes. Examples: metals and plastics.
Plastic takes immeasurable damage to our nature. It causes environmental pollution.
How can we solve the problem caused by plastic? Just discuss about it. What are the solutions we can apply for it? First one, avoid the use of plastics as much as possible. Make use of cotton or jute bags instead of plastic bags. Next one, the biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste should be collected separately and disposed of properly. Do not throw the plastic waste into water bodies or on the road. If we mix the plastic material or plastic waste with food waste, animal such as goat, dog, cows, etc. swallow plastic materials along with food waste. The material chokes the respiratory system of these animals or forms lining in their stomach and can cause of their death. Next point, most of the thermoplastic can be recycled. So it's better to recycle the plastic waste. As a responsible human being, we remember the 5R principle. 5R principle means reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse and recover. Is related to how to manage plastic waste.
So, now you think why we can't dispose plastic materials by burning? Children, because it does not burn completely and also release toxic gases to the environment, which causing environmental or air pollution. So children, we have finished our third chapter here. In this chapter, we have discussed about synthetic fibers, its making, properties and uses, especially about rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Also, we have learned about plastics, its properties, classification and uses. At last, but not least, the harmful effect of plastics to our environment. I have attached notes of decision and also test paper. It's mandatory to attend. Provided a URL related to this topic. So, we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye and take care. Thank you.